Welcome to Authentic Science Video 16. Let's see some safety tips for upcoming super cyclone Umpun. The extremely severe cyclonic storm Umpun, which now lie about 780 kilometers near south of Odisha, will strike hard over the coast of Odisha, West Bengal and Bangladesh. It is very likely to intensify into a super cyclone during the next 6 hours. It crosses the West Bengal Bangladesh coast between Digha and Hatia Island during afternoon or evening of 20th May as a super cyclone with a maximum sustained wind speed of 155 to 185 kilometers per hour. This wind speed can even go up to 240 kilometers per hour. Now let's see some precautions and preparedness measures for the upcoming cyclone. There are few suggested points for the community people to ensure that houses are resistant to severe weather conditions. Face the shortest side of a rectangular type shelter towards the direction of the wind to protect them from being blown away. Construct the roof with a steep slope minimum of 30 degrees to reduce the risk of being blown off. Limit the projections of the roof on all sides to maximum 18 inches, as shown in the picture. Fix the cover of the roof firmly to the frame of the roof. Place a lattice on top of the thatch or dani roofing. Anchor the strong post with solid footings to the ground. Strengthen the shelters against the winds with braces on each side. In the picture, we can see how we are planting trees. The trees are being planted safe distant from the house to break the wind forces. Build the house on slits or on the highest location of the plot. Maintain, retighten and repair the shelter before every monsoon season. So, when there is a cyclone warning, do listen to radio or TV for storm advices. Secure all doors and windows. Secure loose objects like loose boards and dustbins. Do prepare an emergency kit as shown in the figure on the right side. This emergency kit should contain water bottles, some food items, plastic sheet, radio with an extra battery, torch or candle along with matchbox. Do take a first aid kit which contain clean clothes or bandages, band-aids, ORS solution, antiseptic, antibiotic, pain reliever, etc. Don't forget to take the routine medicines of your family members. Do take extra pair clothes for everyone. Rope, string, hammer, nails, all these can be useful. Always be ready with an emergency kit when there is a cyclone warning. Now, when the cyclone hits, stay indoors and take shelter in the strongest part of your house. Stay away from glass windows and doors. Listen to the radio and follow the instructions from local authorities. If a window or a door opens due to storm wind, open a window, make a hole on the opposite side. Beware of the calm eye of the storm. This can last for an hour or so. If the wind drops suddenly, stay inside unless you have some emergency repairs to do because the strong wind can blow suddenly from opposite direction. If you need to go outside, take shelter again as soon as you hear the sound of the wind rising. It will probably rise very quickly, very strong, and come from a new direction. If the house starts to break up, protect everyone with mattresses or blankets. Hold on to strong fixtures or shelter under beds or strong tables. Ensure all live pets or animals are not tied. After the cyclone passes, Don't go outside until officially advised it is safe to do so. Check for gas leakages and don't use electrical appliances if wet. Continue to listen to your local radio for official warnings. If you did evacuate your home, don't return until advised it is safe to do so. On return, use a recommended route and don't rush. Beware of fallen power lines, damaged bridges, buildings, and trees.